So in a previous video, I did a review of some TP-Link smart plugs. I really like them. They integrate with Google Home. They work well. So I figured these went on sale. These are smart switches made by TP-Link as well. And I thought I'd give these a try. I have a few spots that I'd like to wire these into. I have one with the dimmer and one without the dimmer, and we'll see what these are like. They'll integrate with the existing smart plugs because they're TP-Link. They'll use the Kazaa app, and hopefully they'll work just as well. So let's get to it. Time to wire these into the existing lighting. So the switches basically come with a switch, a plate, and some morettes. The other thing is these switches will fit your standard kind of decor style faceplates. You can combine them and mount them in with existing switches if you have more than one switch that are in a row. So we got the plate. This is the only part I really need. So this one's the dimmer switch, and it looks slightly different than just the regular switch. Single pole, no dimmer. So this one here, you have a neutral, you have the actual line, so you'd wire that in as the actual switch part. So this replaces what, this will be wired into where the switch would go. You have to tap in on the neutral, and then the ground wire. Pretty simple. And then on this guy, the wiring's the same, except the only difference is it has your load wires coming in on the side here, and then your neutral, which is your white, and then your ground, which is your green. Wiring, very simple. If you don't feel comfortable playing with line voltage in your house, get an electrician or someone who knows what they're doing. Don't mess around with this. And of course, remember to shut the power off. So I have my non-contact voltage tester. This one's live. I turned the power back on to test this. This is my load, so this one goes to the light. This one comes from the panel. So then I want to hook my load to the top one here, and my line, which is the live wire, to the bottom. Then I have my neutral, which will go to neutral, and my ground, which will go to ground. Here I'm adjusting the dimmer with the app. Alright, so I've installed the light switch. I can turn it on and off like this, or I can go into the Kazaa app and I can turn it on and off like this. And then it's got all the scheduling and the wave functions, timer to count down, turn on my smart switch, all that good stuff. And the wave function, you can set a schedule, or I should say a wave function will randomly turn your lights on and off to make it look like someone's home. And the schedule, you can set a schedule, which I won't bother to do right now. But anyways, you can totally create events and stuff. And I can also get Google to turn on the light as well. Okay Google, turn on bedroom.
You got it, turning the bedroom on.
Okay Google, turn off bedroom.
You got it, turning the bedroom off.
So that was my quick install and test of the TP-Link smart switches. They work just like the TP-Link smart plugs, and so far I really like them both. So I definitely give these smart switches a thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and check out some of my other videos, and bye for now.